Welcome to my channel where I take popular foods and make them better. And I got a really good one for you today. Hi everyone, I'm Justin. Welcome to the Heated Skillet. If you're looking for a seriously good recipe on waffle fries, you've clicked into the right video. Today I have accepted the challenge to recreate the waffle fry at Chick-Fil-A, but I'm going to make it better. Stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how to make a really good dipping sauce that goes good with waffle fries. Also, as a reminder, if you have a food you would like for me to recreate, leave me a comment below. And if you like this sort of thing, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell so every time I put a video out, you get notified. And I do that every Monday. Now with all that said, if you're ready to learn how to make a good waffle fry, hang with me for just a couple minutes and I'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. Let's jump into it. All right, let's go get some Chick-fil-A.
Justin?
Yep.
An extra order of fries. It was going to be $15.71. You're going to pull up to Mackenzie. She's right up there, and she's going to take the payment.
Research. It's called R&D. So we're doing our R&D on these fries. So we had to do a little extra research and get us an extra meal. Have dinner. Chick-fil-A dinner. All right, now we're back at the house. We got our Chick-fil-A waffle fries. We're just going to dive right into this and see if we can identify any unique factors about the waffle fry itself. I think I can make that better for sure. Reason: this is not crispy and it's very greasy. So what I'm going to try to do is crispy and get it where it's not saturated with so much oil. And that just comes with temperatures the way I'm going to fry it. It doesn't have any salt. So this is just a straight up order of medium waffle fries at Chick-fil-A. So I guess what I'm going to try to do now is do a little bit of research and see if I can find some fun facts on waffle fries and Chick-fil-A, the restaurant itself, and find my tools to make this waffle fry. Because you have to do a cross cut. So you'll do down the mandolin, you'll do one way, you'll turn it and you go the other way. That's how you make a waffle fry. And I'll show you how to do that. Now that we have everything to get started, let me talk about exactly what each item is. This is pretty self-explanatory. You need russet potatoes. You will need, if you don't have a hand guard for your slicer, I would recommend using a glove, a protective glove, where you won't slice your finger. In mandolins before, I sliced this thumb the whole side of it off before. So I wear a glove when I'm using these now, if I don't have the hand guard that comes with them. And this one you could buy just the tool and the hand guard is separate. I'll leave a link to this and this in the description below, but this is the only waffle cutter that I could find that cuts waffles deep enough to give us that really thick waffle like Chick-fil-A has. And of course, plates just to catch potatoes when I slice them. So we'll clean up the potatoes and then I'll show you exactly how to slice these up. Now that we have the potatoes cleaned, I'm going to show you how to slice these. So you're going to take a couple slices down like that. You're going to get a real good, deep, rigid cut, right? So that's like this. This is how we cut that. Well, it's really like that right there. You're going to turn it 1/4 of a turn and then slice down. You're going to see how it makes that waffle, right? So let's do a couple more and I'll show you. So let's get back in groove here. And be really careful when you're using one of these slices. These blades are extremely sharp. So there's the waffle fry. I'm just going to finish up the process here really fast. Now that we have the potatoes sliced up, let me just show you the potatoes so you can get a good idea of how well that slicer actually works. So what we'll do from here is we'll put them in some ice water for a minimum of 15 minutes. Then we'll need to dry them off, and we'll need to get as much of that water off as possible. We'll try to get them as dry as we can, because when they go into the grease, we don't want any water on them. Now that the grease is at 320 degrees, you can start frying the waffle fries. You want to fry these for 3 to 4 minutes at 320 degrees. Then you're going to remove them and fry the remainder waffle fries that you have. Once those are complete, you're going to increase your grease to 375 degrees, and you're going to cook for about a minute to a minute and 20 seconds. It's going to give you the perfect crispiness. It's a technique that keeps it from browning up on you. And we'll get ready for the second batch. But let's take a look at what, see, they're not burnt. And just repeat the process. All right, now that we're at 375 degrees, it's time to put in the first batch. Now here's 3 interesting facts for you about the potato and Chick-fil-A. Do you know what the A at the end of Chick-fil-A stands for? Grade A quality on all foods that they serve. Another thing about Chick-fil-A is where they get their potatoes. They get them out of 2 states, Washington and Oregon State. All the potatoes that they serve comes from those 2 states. And something that is very interesting is that the waffle fry wasn't commercialized until the mid-80s, supposedly around 1985. All right, so there you have it, guys. That's how you make waffle fries. It's important to have the right waffle cutter, but it's also very important that you're frying these right. So you want to fry them in 2 times. So you got to fry it at a lower temperature so it prepares the potato from burning, and then once it sets, you'll put it back in that hot grease, and it's gonna be quick. You've seen earlier in the video that it goes in quick, and you got to take them out. So just be prepared for that. So come on in here, Sheila. Let me do the taste test. So we'll see if these are really crispy, like I said earlier on in the video. So see if we can get this. Pretty crispy for me. Way crispier than Chick-fil-A's. So here's what we're looking at. All right, and the way to spice those up is to grab you a little Creole, and you'll just sprinkle over top of it. It's going to make a spicy waffle fry. I loved it. This is my favorite seasoning of all seasonings to give a salty flavor. So do a little cover of that, and you'll be good to go. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I was going to make you a little sauce if you stuck around to the end. It's a simple sauce, but it goes really well with this. So I'll prepare that, and I'll show you exactly how to make that up. All right, everyone, time for the top secret ingredients. Sriracha ranch. And the way you do this, 1 part sriracha, 1 part ranch. So basically half-half, all right? And then all you do is mix it up. And that's basically the color you're looking for. You will not be disappointed with this. This is really good, man. So you just dip it in there, soak it in there, just like that. Oh my goodness. That makes any fry. Put that on pizza. Put that on basically any of your savory foods. It's really good. All right, so let me know your thoughts on the waffle fries and my little sauce that I made for you. Leave me a comment below. I would like to hear what you really think about this. And until next time, I'll see you. That's a wrap. If you enjoy this, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, it's a wrap. Guys, I hope you like it. I don't know what to do. right, hang on. Don't move, man, because I'm good. That takes good. I don't want. Hang on. Fun facts. Let's go blank, man. Can't help it.